Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with a clean workspace and a good source image. Open it now in your editor and duplicate the background layer so you can revert if needed. Once done, crop or straighten to frame the subject. Make sure resolution is high enough so blocks will read clearly. Then set a working color mode, RGB for screen, CMYK if printing, because that affects how pixels blend. This first step guarantees you won't lose detail and sets the stage for controlled pixelation. Now you apply the actual pixelation. Use a mosaic or pixelate filter, or resize the image down then back up with nearest neighbor resampling. Each method preserves hard blocks. Choose block size based on intent. 4 to 8 pixels feels subtle, 20 to 50 pixels gives an obvious retro look. If only part of the photo needs pixelation, add a layer mask and paint the mask to isolate the effect. Make sure to preview at 100% so the block pattern reads correctly for your output. Finish by refining transitions and exporting correctly. You can soften the mask edge a touch or lower the pixelation layer's opacity if the effect feels too harsh. Once satisfied, consider a light sharpen or a touch of noise to integrate blocks with surrounding texture. Make sure to save a layered file for edits and export a flattened PNG or JPEG at the intended size. If something looks wrong, undo the last steps and adjust block size or masking. That single tweak usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.